Hey guys, welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. You guys asked for it, here it is. Today we're going to cover how to do the laid-back shuffle from the game Fortnite. As always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Nasak, for being the first ones to request it. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to show you is a simplified version of the dance, and then I'm gonna add the details afterwards for the ones that are interested. Alright, so the first move, which I think is the hardest move, is this. Whoop, 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 whoop. Alright, I'm just gonna show it from the side. So from the side it looks like this. Lift, jump, lift, jump, lift, jump, lift, jump. And when you do it fast, obviously it's gonna be more subtle. Whoop, whoop, whoop. As I said before, I'm gonna start with a simplified version. And that could be, instead of doing all this, where you bring out, you make sure your heels are in and toes are out, we're just gonna do it where they are pointing to the front, yeah? And basically what you're just doing is just jumping, either on the spot or maybe you're jumping a bit to the sides. So what you're doing is you're lifting, let's say your right leg just slightly, and then you make a small bend here before you say jump. Yeah, basically every time you jump you do a small bend, right? Whoop. So lift right, jump, lift left, jump, right, jump, left, jump, right, jump, jump, right, jump. It's kind of like a running man, right? You know that way. So jump and jump and jump and jump. Let's just try 1/8 of that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift, jump, lift, jump, lift, jump, lift, jump. One more. 8. So, one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump and jump and jump and jump. Alright, just keep practicing that over and over until you can do it fast. And then it should look something like this, right? And then, now let's move on to the arms. So you want to start by saying, you want to do a small prep here. So I'm always doing opposite. Yeah, so either my right arm is up and my left arm is down, well, mostly the fist. And then the elbows are also opposite, so this elbow is pointing down, this elbow is pointing up, yeah? And you want to kind of do it like this. And to the other side, and to the other side. Whoop, 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 whoop. Pretty simple, right? Now, that's just a small twist. You might as get that in the simple version as well. So the first one is to the left. The next one is to the right. And now you want to do one to the right again, but you kind of want to move halfway back and then go wow. And it's going to go double tempo, so it's going to be, normally it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, but this one is 1, 2, and 3. So again, let's try that. We're going to say 1, 2, and 3. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so the first 7 counts are these. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. Now we're just gonna keep going from side to side. The rest of the counts. So it's 1, 2, and 3. From here you want to go 4, 5, 6, and then you end on 7 here. Alright, let's try that again slowly. So, starting to our left, and then we want to go double, and then just same tempo rest of the way. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, now legs and arms. So, we want to start to our left, and we want to prep by taking the left leg up. Actually, we also do the prep with the arms, right? Here, and then we want to jump here, yeah, to the left. And then we want to say prep to the right. Let's just do the 2 first jumps. So remember the prep. sorry, like that. So lifting up your left leg, right arm goes up before we jump here. Let's just do that. 5, 6, 7, 8, and here. Now lift your right, switch. So again, prep, jump, prep, jump. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, jump, prep, jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, jump, prep, jump. Now the tricky part is to do it to the same side. So we did womb here, womb here. Now we want to do so double tempo, womb here. So the same side. So womb here, and then actually again womb here. Yeah, so you did womb here, and again. Let's just do that. 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, jump, prep, right, and right. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and left, right, right. Okay, so what you can do the left, right, right. You want to continue and say left, right, left, right. And that should be 7 counts in total. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we ended here. Now we want to do the new part, and we want to do a prep step. So we're gonna take our right and just take a small step before we can lift up our left. And notice that I'm not facing the front here, I'm just lifting up my leg, but I'm sort of also turning to the side where I'm lifting my leg. So left side, whoop. Now I want to do it to the same side, whoop. Yeah, so the first 2 and the last 2 will be to the same side. So we're gonna go whoop, whoop. And now we want to switch side, and then 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So we said here, here. Now switch, and double here. Let's do that again a bit slower. So 5, 6. We're just gonna start on 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, double. Other side. Get ready for double. Double here. Once again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double and switch. It. Double. Now the arms are pretty simple. You just go throw them down. Yeah. So womb. Let's just practice from side to side. So we're gonna go womb. So notice I'm leading with my elbow here, pulling my hand up, and then say down. Same with the other side. Yes, I'm always switching from side to side. Except when you're doing the doubles. So womb. Let's just see womb. Yeah. So just doing it to the same side, and also this side. So womb. Double in the end. So double, switch, double. Let's try that. Just the arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, actually, when you do the whole dance, this actually starts on 8. But for now, let's just practice on 1. So again, just the arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, now let's try to combine the legs. Should be pretty straightforward. So lift up your leg, double. Now you want to go opposite side, double in the end. Here. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double in the end. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.